Lifetime displacement. S.N.A.P Archives entry 001. Science edition. Video essay by Joey Planets. Joey Planets here with an installment in the S.N.A.P Archives where we talk about science, nature, anthropology, and politics. The following video is for educational entertainment only. How far have you traveled today? In this video, we are going to explore a calculation that anyone can plug their age in number of days to find out the total distance they traveled in space since their birth. Tier 1, human movement. This could include traveling to and from work, casual walks, or physical training. Human movement, HM, equals daily distance traveled on Earth. Tier 2, rotational movement. The rotational speed of the Earth, according to Dr. S.N.A.P from the NASA Education and Public Outreach Program, is roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. So, rotational movement, RM, equals average speed times hours per day, equals 1,670 kilometers per hour times 24 hours per day. We have RM equals cosine latitude 40,080 kilometers per day. Fun fact. This distance changes at different latitudes, and you can calculate this distance relative to your location by using cosine. Tier 3, Earth orbital movement. You are moving about your daily life while the Earth is spinning in rotation on an axis. However, we can go further. According to the Earth fact sheet compiled by NASA, the average orbital speed of the Earth is about 107,000 kilometers per hour. So, Earth orbital movement, EOM, equals average orbital speed times hours per day, equals 107,000 kilometers per hour times 24 hours per day. EOM equals 2,568,000 kilometers per day. Tier 4, solar orbital movement. The Sun, which is one of the billions of stars in the Milky Way, also orbits Sagittarius A star, which is located at the center of the galaxy. This supermassive black hole pulls all stellar masses in the galaxy towards the center, causing the Sun and hundreds of thousands of other stars to have an average speed of about 864,000 kilometers per hour. So, solar orbital movement, SOM, equals average solar speed times hours per day equals 864,000 kilometers per hour times 24 hours per day. SOM equals 20,736,000 kilometers per day. Final equation. Displacement equals human movement plus cosine times latitude times rotational movement plus Earth orbital movement plus solar orbital movement equals HM plus cosine times lat times ROM plus EOM plus SOM. Test it yourself. For our equation, we simply plug in our specific factors to find our daily displacement within the universe. Alright, for me personally, I drive about 20 miles to and from work and maybe another 10 miles to get food or complete errands. I'm pretty stagnant for most of the day, but we'll say I move another 5 miles for physical activities and casual walks. 35 miles equals 56 kilometers. I also live in Florida, which is about 30 degrees north of the equator. Cosine of 30 degrees equals 0.866. Take the final equation and plug in our factors. Daily displacement equals HM plus cosine times lat times ROM plus EOM plus SOM. Daily displacement, Joey Planets, equals 56 kilometers per day plus 35,709.28 kilometers per day plus 2,568,000 kilometers per day plus 20,736,000 kilometers per day equals 23,338,765.3 kilometers per day. This is equivalent to roughly 14 million miles, and we don't even feel it. Topic conclusion. In conclusion, these exercises were mainly to discover the total distance displaced since birth. To do this, you can use this generator to figure out how many days it has been since the day you were born. For me, it is 9,971 days, which was cool to discover that I'm almost at 10,000 days. Nuts. Alright. This means our final equation follows as such. Daily displacement times total days alive equals total lifetime movement. 23,338,765.3 kilometers per day times 9,971 days equals 232,710,828,806,000.3 kilometers. Wow. Theoretically, the matter in my body has moved trillions and trillions of miles as the sun and the earth hurl through space. Fun fact, light travels at about 1 trillion kilometers per hour, so it would cover my entire existence in less than 10 days. How far have you traveled? So the subject in this video may not be 100% accurate, but the main goal is to fuel conversation, so please let me know what you think. This has been a science edition of the S.N.A.P archives. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or don't. I can't control you. Wow. Yes. I can't wait to talk about science. The reason I started doing this is because I like to talk about this stuff, but nobody wants to hear about it because it's just a bit too much to think about, too many factors to even implement into your life that don't really matter. So record myself talking about this stuff that I find interesting and present it to YouTube and really just get it out of my head so I can stop losing my fucking mind. Alright, that's 3 blinker hits. Did you feel that? By the way, these headphones are doing nothing. So I guess making it easier for me to talk. Those are doing nothing. Just making me more confident. Might wear them every video, might not, who cares? Me. Topic main points. White Widow from Mellow Fella. It won't blink. It never blinks. Oh wait, this is actually the Panama Red. We'll switch to the let's switch to the White Widow. White Widow, same brand. And I hope that makes it easier. Take a hit before we finish the tears. Cheers to the tears. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, it's officially faded. So, let's keep it rolling. Holding. Walk to go, walk to hold.
Yeah, I rang the doorbell like 3 or 4 times. And they're like, who is this? And I heard someone in the trash can because I thought it was you. I was like, wait. Oh, dude, you was in the wrong house? Yeah. That was really the wrong house? Yeah, it was really the wrong house. In the condo? Oh, yeah, I knew that. Yeah.